So guys, now a quick analysis on our natural gas for today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and like. Now we are on our 4 hour time frame. As you can see, our natural gas has fallen. Day before yesterday it fell rapidly. Yesterday it fell, and now we have opened at a bullish move. There's one thing that believe that our natural gas will be going bullish today. That's exactly what I believe. As we can mark it as our support, we can take it as our support, and some key level. This is also a key level here, whereby our price has also rejected, giving us something like a resistance here, by the way. So we actually planning to go bullish, and you can see our price has already opened bullish and it is actually going bullish. Definitely we would want to take our buy position. Let's go on our 1 hour time frame, by the way. So our advice, you take a chill, wait a little bit. When we have this bullish move on our probably 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame, anyone you want, when we have a bullish move up, we get a retracement, then we can actually now have that bullish move. When we now see that a break above this our previous higher highs, I think that will be a good opportunity to actually take your buy position. That has already confirmed that our price is now going bullish. Then you can actually not wait, take your position straight upward and try to close it at our resistance level here, where I will be marking at this our resistance, probably where our price will be hitting as our resistance. But today I believe that our price will be going bullish, as you can see on our 1 hour time frame. It wants to start giving us that bullish move. Let's confirm it on our 30-minute time frame. I think we are having a retracement on our 30-minute time frame, as you can see it here. We have had this move. We are getting to see that retracement. I believe we will be going bullish for today for our natural gas. So let's say our price plays out for today.